Good morning, boys and girls. How are you? How are we today? Okay, today we're going to take a new lesson about, let's take a look. We're going to take about final CK. Final CK. Okay, what this lesson will be about is words that end with the CK. Okay, it's a combination of two letters that make one sound, and it makes the K sound. Usually when we say these words, okay, the K rule says CK is used after one short vowel at the end of one syllable words to spell K. Okay, so what we're saying is we use the CK at the end of a one syllable word that has a short vowel. Okay, so let's write some examples and read them together. Okay, now let's look here. Try and read the word. So here is pack. Remember, this here is one sound and this is another sound. So pack. Remember, it's one syllable, okay? So one clap, pack. Let's write another word. Here we have duck. Okay, another word, duck. One syllable, short vowel, and it's the CK sound. Okay, I'm gonna think of another one. Look here. What's this word say? Sick. Let's clap it together. Sick. Okay, one syllable. It has a short vowel. Okay, it has a short vowel and one sound as K. Okay, also here, one sound K and it has the short U. Let's take another look of another word. Okay, let's look here. Rock. Okay, one syllable word and it has a short vowel sound. I'll think some more. Take a look here. Sock. Okay, sock. Another one. Try and read it before I do. Okay, what does this one say? It says neck. Okay, let's take a look. It has the short E and it has the K sound. Here, short O, K. So rock. Here we have also short O, K, sock. Okay, I'm going to write some new sentences and then you're going to tell me the word that fits in. Okay, or how about we say, you tell me the word with the K sound with a short vowel and it has the CK at the end. So I need you to identify the word with the CK at the end, okay, and it has a short vowel. I pack my books. Can you identify the word with the short vowel and the CK at the end? That's right. This is the word pack. Okay, pack. It has a short A. Okay, and it has the K sound. So this one here is K. Okay. Okay, let's take a look again. I'll do another sentence. And again, you have to identify the word with the CK at the end and tell me what it says. My sock is lost. Okay, this is an easy one. You should be very easily to find the word with CK. Can you find it? Here it is, sock. Okay, it has the short O sound and it has the K sound at the end. Okay, I'll do another sentence, more practice. The duck swims in the pond. Okay, the duck swims in the pond. Where's the CK word? Can you identify the CK word? Very easy. Duck. Okay, it has the short U and it has the K sound at the end. K. Now remember, when we use CK at the end of a word, usually that word is one syllable and it's followed by a short vowel. Okay, good work everyone.